In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add add-ons to your Acuity scheduling platform. This is a fantastic feature that can truly elevate the way you offer services to your clients by adding extra options for them to choose from, making each appointment tailored to their needs. So whether you're looking to add a special touch to your services or aiming to increase your revenue with supplementary offerings, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's navigate to the Acuity scheduling platform. This online scheduler is a powerful tool that many businesses use to allow their customers to book appointments online seamlessly. Once you're on the Acuity homepage, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Click on this to move forward. Upon clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This step is straightforward but crucial as it's your unique identifier in the Acuity system. After typing in your email, click on Next to proceed. You'll then see an option to continue with Google. This is particularly convenient if your Acuity account is linked to your Google account, offering a quick and secure way to log in. Go ahead and select Continue with Google. You'll then be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Choose the one that's associated with your Acuity account. Once you've successfully logged in using your Google account, you're ready to get down to business. Now let's head over to your Acuity calendar by clicking on the Calendar tab. This is where all the magic happens. Here you'll see all your scheduled appointments laid out. Locate the appointment to which you desire to add an add-on and click on it. This will bring up the appointment details. Within the appointment details, there's an edit option. Click on this to customize the appointment. This is where you can modify the appointment time, client information, and for the purpose of this tutorial, add add-ons. So let's click on Edit. After clicking Edit, navigate to the Appointment Type section. This part is key as it dictates the nature of the appointment. Now here's a pro tip that will make your Acuity experience even smoother. Keep an eye out for a separate checkbox within this section. This checkbox indicates the availability of add-ons for the service you're dealing with. If you see this checkbox, congratulations. This means you can easily attach additional services or products related to the primary service being booked. Once you've selected the appropriate add-ons by checking the box next to them, you're almost at the finish line. The final step is to click on Save. This is crucial as it ensures all your adjustments, including the add-ons, are stored and applied to the appointment. With that, you've successfully added an add-on to your appointment in Acuity scheduling. Adding add-ons to your services in Acuity can distinguish between a basic service offering and a premium, customizable experience for your clients. Whether it's adding a 15-minute extra massage to a spa booking or providing an additional consultation session for a coaching service, add-ons can significantly enhance the value you provide to your clients. Plus, they open up an avenue for upselling, allowing your business to grow in revenue and customer satisfaction. To recap, today we've walked through the step-by-step process of adding add-ons to your appointments in Acuity scheduling. We started by logging into your Acuity account, proceeding to your calendar, selecting an appointment, editing it, and finally adding an add-on before saving our changes. Remember, customization and attention to detail can set your services apart, making your offerings more appealing and in turn driving more business your way. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now equipped to make the most of the add-ons feature within Acuity scheduling. Here's to elevating your client's experience and taking your business to new heights. Happy scheduling!